रिसेंटली एक्ट्रेस नुसरत भरूचा ने उज्जैन के महाकालेश्वर टेम्पल में दर्शन किए। उनकी भस्मा आरती और पूजा के विजुअल्स वायरल हो रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बाद एक क्लेरिक ने इसे हराम बताते हुए फतवा जारी किया है।
नुसरत भरूचा ने उज्जैन के महाकाल मंदिर में जाकर के पूजा पाठ की, जल चढ़ाया, शरीयत के उसूलों का उल्लंघन किया। इसलिए उन पर हुक्म आयद होता है शरीयत का कि वो तौबा करें, इस्तगफार करें और कलमा पढ़ें।
सोशल मीडिया पर डिबेट छिड़ गई है, रिलीजियस फ्रीडम, फेथ पुलिसिंग, पर्सनल चॉइस एंड व्हाट नॉट। और यहीं से एक सिंपल बॉलीवुड कंट्रोवर्सी बन जाती है यूपीएससी करंट अफेयर्स। द प्लेस इन न्यूज इज महाकालेश्वर टेम्पल, उज्जैन. So let's decode. Mahakaleshwar temple, located in Ujjain, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is one of the 12 Jyotirlings, the most sacred Shiva shrines in India. In the 2022 prelims paper, UPSC had asked a question on another Jyotirling shrine, the Somnath temple. The question is on your screen. Now that Mahakaleshwar temple is in news, let's know some important facts about it. Mahakaleshwar temple is located in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, on the banks of the Shipra river. The Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling is Swayambhu, meaning self-manifested and not installed by humans. A key highlight is the Bhasma Aarti performed in the early morning, where sacred ash is offered to the Shivling, symbolizing life, death and rebirth. Architecturally, the temple complex is expansive and includes shrine of Ganesh, Parvati and Omkareshwar. In ancient texts, Ujjain was known as Avantika, an important center of learning and spirituality. Here, Lord Shiva is worshipped as Mahakal, the lord of time and death, believed to control the flow of time itself. The temple also holds major religious importance during festivals like Mahashivratri, Nag Panchami and the Sinhast Kumbh Mela, held in Ujjain once every 12 years. This is how exactly UPSC links current affairs with static syllabus, place in news, temple background and cultural relevance. And this analysis becomes super easy when you have your AI mentor, Yuki.